फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार. Myself Dr. M.D. सातपुते, Department of Botany, कर्मवीर भाऊराव पाटील महाविद्यालय पंढरपूर. Today I am going to teach for the class BSc 1 semester 1st Botany paper 1. Name of paper: Biodiversity of Microbes, Algae and Fungi. Unit Algae. In this unit Algae we will see classification of algae and economic importance of algae. Classification of algae according to G.M. Smith, 1938. G.M. Smith classified algae into 7 divisions and 13 classes on the basis of pigments, reservoir food material, types of flagella and reproduction. This table shows division and classes of algae. Division number 1, Chlorophyta, green algae. Chlorophyta classified into 2 classes, class Chlorophyceae and Charophyceae. Division number 2, Euglenophyta, means grass green algae. Classified single class Euglenophyceae. Division number 3, Pyrophyta, classified into class Desmophyceae and Dinophyceae. Division number 4, Chrysophyta, classified class Chrysophyceae, Xanthophyceae and Bacillariophyceae. Division number 5, Phaeophyta, classified 3 classes, class Isogenerative, Heterogenerative and Cyclosporae. Division number 6, Cyanophyta, means blue green algae, classified single class Myxophyceae. Division number 7, Rhodophyta, it includes red algae, classifies single class Rhodophyceae. Next point, economic importance of algae. First, use of algae used as a food. Algal species are used as food in several countries and in several forms. Algal species have proteins, vitamins A, B, C and E, lipids and minerals. Laminaria species is the important edible seaweed in Japan, and the food item kombu is prepared from it. Anori from Monostroma, Ascusa nuri from Porphyra are prepared in different countries. Porphyra has 35% protein, 45% carbohydrates, vitamins B and C and niacin. Nostoc is used as food material in South America. Algae used as a fodder for cattle. Rhodomina palmata is used as food for sheep in Norway. Laminaria saccharina, Pelvicia, Ascophyllum, etc. species are used as food for cattle. Algae used as fertilizers. Blue-green algae are treated as biofertilizers from olden days. Nostoc, Oscillatoria, Scytonema, Spirulina are used as fertilizers to rice fields. All these algae fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Cultivation of Spirulina is gaining importance as feed for fish, poultry and cattle. Algae used as fertilizers. Algae used as fertilizers and industry. Iodine industry is mainly depend on algae. Algae belong to Phaeophyceae like Laminaria, Ecklonia, Eisenia, etc. are used in the industry to prepare iodine. Phylophora is used to prepare iodine in Russia. Algae used as antibiotics. Antibiotic chlorelin obtained from chlorella is effective against a number of pathogenic bacteria. Extracts from Cladophora lingbaia kill pathogenic Pseudomonas and Mycobacterium. Laminaria is used as one of the modern tools for abortion. Seaweeds have beneficial effect on gallbladders, pancreas, kidneys, uterus and thyroid glands. Role of algae in sewage disposal. Some species like Chlamydomonas, Syndesmus, Chlorella, Pandorina, Euridina are living in sewage water. They are mainly useful to clean the water by releasing oxygen. They also modify the carbohydrate material in the water into NPK fertilizers. This figure shows role of algae in sewage disposal. Algae used as research material. In biological research, algae are useful because of their rapid growth, brief life cycle span and easy mode of cultivation. Chlorella, Syndesmus and Anacystis are used in investigations in photosynthesis. Blue-green algae are used in studies on nitrogen fixation. Researches in genetics and cytology are carried out on Acetabularia. Algae used as fertilizers. Many algae increase the water holding capacity. Besides the addition of their chemical constituent in the soil. In India, Turbinaria is used around palm tree, while as seaweeds are used as compost. Algae used as soil fertility and land reclamation. The species of nostoc, Scytonema, Ulsoria, Lingbaia, Microcoleus, Aphanothisi, Anabena, etc. show adaptability to moist soil surface, and most of these can fix atmospheric nitrogen and increase the soil fertility. Due to their mucilaginous sheath, they are able to prevent soil erosion by binding the soil particles firmly. Algae used as medicines. Brown algae mainly used in manufacture of various goiter medicines due to their high iodine content. The main alga used for this purpose include Sargassum and members of laminarials. The extract of corallina, Digenia, Codium, Alcidium and Durvilla are used for treatment of verminous diseases. Antibiotic chlorelin is extracted from Chlorella vulgaris, which inhibits the growth of certain bacteria and a few algae. Rhodomela larynx, Ascophyllum nodosum, Pelvicia, etc. have also shown antibiotic properties. Acetabularia measure is used in treatment of kidney and bladder problems. Algae are also used as growth promoting substances. Many algae such as Formidium tenui have been reported to include greater height and yield in rice. It has also been seen to increase protein content of rice grains. Thank you.